All right, so you're doing your car design in Fusion. So to get to here, to get to this Fusion online version, the easiest way is this folder that keeps coming up, this link that I keep having in there, right here, will take you to the thing we went over, all the rules and all that stuff, okay? If you scroll way down, way down, way down, keep going, keep going, keep going. These are the links that you're going to be using, okay? These will be videos by the time you're watching this. But right here, this Fusion Online link, when you click this, that will take you to this, okay? And even easier if you wanted to bookmark that, okay? To bookmark it, there'll be a star right over here where my mouse is. You click that, and that will allow you to bookmark that site. I'm just on a guest profile, so it won't show up right there. But you can add a bookmark, and then you don't have to worry about going through those steps to get to this. When you get to here, if you haven't done this, if you used Fusion before, you might have already done this, but if not, you got to change a few settings. So go up here to your initials, click Preferences, and we're making sure that a couple of things. First thing, in this General tab, we want this to say Z up, and then down here we want this to say Default Orbit Type Free Orbit. And then the other one is Default Units Design. We want this to say inches. So if either one of those is not that thing, then change it to that, hit apply, and then hit OK. All right, now you are not having to redraw the blank, the car blank. I already have that made for you. So you have to get to it though. It's a little different than the other guys are doing. Okay, you will not be using this file right here. That is what Inventor Kids are using. You guys are using something different. So we're going to click this right here, this Show Data panel. If you don't have this thing, if you already have this thing, then you're good to go. Right now, you can see I put myself in the second period folder, but it doesn't matter what you're in. But we're going to click the house. We're going to double click on, you should just see one class, whichever one you're in, or whichever one you were in. Doesn't matter if you move classes, it doesn't matter. So go to your class period, go to class files, and there'll be one file in there, or maybe more, but this one for sure, Dragster blank 2025. You're going to double click this and open it up. Now, this is my file that you just have access to look at. You can't use this until you do this next step. You can see right here it says read only. Okay, what you do is right up here, the paper, we're going to click this and we're going to say save as. And we're going to save it into our folder. Now, if yours doesn't show your class period students and your name, you need to get to there. So you click this, and if you don't see this, like if this is way down here like this because y'all screens are small, it might look like this. You can click right up here at the top, somewhere up here, and just click and hold and drag this up. And then we can go, hey, I want to be in second period, and then like this. I'd go second, and then students. Like right here, you might see all the names. Then we go down, find your name, open it up. Just make sure it shows all this. If you can't see the blue button down here, just move it up more and hit save. Now, this is your file that you can make changes to, and no one else is going to be able to make changes to that.